Welcome back to the channel. Now, while law enforcement is still unable to confirm the location of the shallow grave seen on social media, said to contain the bodies of Kenisha Moody and her younger brother, Kerrick Moody. Some have pointed out that in the video, what seems to be either an identification card or what some say is a bank card was seen on one of the remains that have presumed the female remains. The people are saying, seeing that these are popular TikTokers, young people have left them phone. She'd have her bank card. We don't see no other personal belongings. We don't see no bag. We don't see nothing else. But the bank card was shown on the remains. People are saying, can't the phone GPS be tracked? If the bank card was used, can't her mother confirm which bank should a bank with? Or can her name just be run through a server where them can check the bank them where she have an account with? And when her card was recently used, if you go buy the voice note, in the voice note, the individual was saying that them already get all of the information and them know say the money was at the house. And while Jamaican streets might not have enough CCTV cameras, ATM machines themselves, and also most locations where ATM machines are, have some form of camera in it. If it's a machine without a booth, normally the camera is on the machine itself. Normally if it's an ATM with a booth, the camera in the ATM booth. If at the bank where they know countless cameras up on the bank. So while we might can track the route the car take, we can see at the bank if she did arrive there. Them can see if the clothes match the person who sit on or the remains who was seen at the video on social media. Them can see who was with her. Maybe if cameras in the parking lot, them can see the vehicle where them go back to. One thing for sure though, no part of that story now sound good. Or where some people have said the mother should have do this and the mother should have do that. Listen to one and say, for a moment stop and listen to one and say, what do you mean the mother should have do? There was nothing she could have do. Her daughter had to move out of her house because of a condition of her bail. She moved to live somewhere else. While living there, she settled in her new life in that new parish. Her brother go over there go live with her. She had tried to convince her son, which is her daughter's brother, to come back home, come further medication. She said all she had talked to him never really listened. What more she could have do? They were adults at that point. All she could have do was give them good advice, which based upon the statements you have circulated social media saying that they are from her. She had do that countless time. And just like what law enforcement say, regardless of how people might view an individual, the crime I will say, Jamaica should be outraged. People's lives were taken, put their remains placed in a shallow grave, and the entire situation was videotaped and then placed on social media for everybody to see, including the family and loved ones of the individuals. But no location for the remains. It don't make sense. And then send out a voice note, explain why this was done. And based on what I go on, it seems like the message and the voice note was sent to somebody. And maybe that individual is the one that put it on social media. Just like how recently we see a video on social media with what appears to be a young youth, like him still go to school, with a high-powered rifle, a videotape himself and say yes, him have it. Seeming like him has sent it to some school friend, who then in return put it on social media. And now even that youth there, who knows? While people might not know where him there at the time, him put him face on the video. Him send a video of himself. So people from the community know how, and them in turn will contact law enforcement. But in this day and age, people put everything on the media. And hopefully, law enforcement can use the information already given to bring Miss Edwards some justice. If you are youth them. And for the people in rural Jamaica, this lottery scamming something. It not bring a benefit to the community. It more bring destruction, bloodshed. See the crime and violence reach a point in St. Elizabeth where they must say maybe no event, not for keep, none at all. Can you imagine the festive season with no festivities? Or you call it the festive season with no festivities? They even make no sense. But they must say because of the crime and violence them say take place at these festivities. The people need to have some integrity. We can't make sure some little people gain some form of wealth or have some money, then destroy the community, destroy the country at large. The people have to stand together. I want to other stories, mate. I make headlines today.
Because the government of Jamaica, they are not helping the people. They are helping themselves. It's a serious problem with Jamaica. Tivoli Garden will never turn PMP. Jungle will never turn JLP. So how we are going to get away from PMP and JLP? Jamaican people are idiots when it comes to politics. Them like people. Them not like policy. Them not like goodness. Them like them friend and who them mother and them papa and them granny did vote for. Tradition politics them a vote for. Me vote for Jamaica. I mean love freedom and happiness and goodness. Me not like PMP, me not like JLP, me like Jamaicans. And Jamaicans not playing that. They're playing PMP and JLP. Half of the country, 3/4 of the country are PMP and JLP at them cause all the way are going to stay with we. Because when we want to get rid of PMP, we can't get rid of them. When we want to get rid of JLP, we can't. A new party we want, you know. Not JLP and PMP, I know them. Had them way to all the foolishness we've been going through.
Well, if you're new to the channel, just a pass through. We'll click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon. And of course, put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share and tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion, the comment section up 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and girls, if you want to live, love, and prosper, and of course, if you want to stay tuned.